You will need a Phillips screwdriver or a 10mm wrench. The fog lights are located in the front bumper. To access them, we'll start under the bumper. We will start on the passenger side. You can see there is a plastic cover that will need to be removed. There are 3 bolts holding it on. Remove the 3 bolts and you can move the plastic cover out of the way enough to reach the fog light bulbs. Remove the bulb by first unhooking the wire connector. Push down on the little tab on the connector and pull it apart. To unlock the bulb, turn it counterclockwise. Once it's unlocked, it will come straight out. Let's compare the standard halogen to the new LED bulb. The LED is a plug-and-play fit, so the bases are the same. And if we line the bases up, you can see the halogen filament is the same distance from the base as the LED chips are, meaning your bulb was properly designed to perform in your car's housing. When we install the bulb, you should make note of the top tab on the bulb. This top tab will not face up when installed, but will face out to the right if you're looking at the back of the housing. When we lock the bulb in, you can see the LED chips are facing out to the left and right, so you know it's been installed correctly. If you need to adjust the bulb, you can simply spin it in the housing until it's aligned correctly. Connect the wire connector and then secure it all with a zip tie. Be sure to test it before putting everything back. Replace the 3 bolts you removed from the plastic cover and now we will do the same for the driver's side. The one difference, we will not be removing the plastic cover. You can still access the bulb from the gap in the back of the cover. Just as before, unplug the wire connector and unlock the bulb by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the old bulb and replace with the new LED. Making sure to line up that top tab, install the bulb and turn it clockwise to lock it in. Connect the wire connector and then secure it all with a zip tie. You can see the difference in brightness and color if we compare the new LED to the standard halogen.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.